Hi there, I'm Laura Rimmer. I'm a nutritionist and health coach of over 10 years, and I specialise in the ketogenic diet and the alkaline diet. And I have just created for you a full Christmas and Thanksgiving keto recipe book. This recipe book I'm so excited about because it's got 40 delicious, decadent, indulgent, sugar-free, fully ketogenic and wheat-free, obviously, recipe book for you that you can use over the holiday period. So for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, any other holidays really, birthdays, dinner parties, to wow your friends and family with ketogenic foods. And do you know what? Unless you tell them that this is keto, they will be none the wiser because the foods, the meals are so tasty, so just rich in flavour and luxurious that, yeah, no one's going to know that there's no sugar in them. So there's no unhealthy ingredients in this, all natural ingredients. Most of the meals are very, very simple to make and you can make them in less than half an hour. There are some more, there's a few kind of more involved recipes, but for the most part they're easy, and you can find all the ingredients in your local supermarket or on Amazon. So this recipe book is full colour. You can access it on any device, so whether that's your computer, your mobile phone, your tablet, and they're all basically, I think like 38 out of the 40 recipes are one recipe per page. They're super easy to print. And on top of that, I'm also giving you my Christmas and Thanksgiving keto meal plan. So what that means is that I'm giving you a full meal plan, which, takes the recipes that I've included in my recipe book and puts them together. It macronutrient optimizes them. It calorie controls them. So here's the thing. Here's my challenge to you. Could you even lose weight and feel healthier over the Christmas and Thanksgiving period? Instead of piling on the pounds like most people do at this time, could you even get healthier and lose weight? Maybe I've designed this so that you get the best of both worlds. You get the indulgent deliciousness of, super tasty foods. You get a variety of foods. There's even alcohol on this as well. And you've got things like, raspberry pavlova, Christmas pudding, Christmas mince pies. You've got a chocolate Yule log. You have things like keto eggnog, keto Irish cream, mulled wine, and then you have lots of side dishes as well. So you've got a full turkey dinner. Yes, it's lemon and garlic turkey. Got things like beef Wellington and brie and camembert and walnut Wellington, and so lots of solid main dishes and then lots of lovely side dishes and sauces. So things like classic cranberry sauce, gravy, keto stuffing, and Brussels sprouts and chestnuts. So all the trimmings for your perfect Christmas, your perfect holiday meal. As I say, guilt-free. So you've got absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. So I'm adding in a couple of other free bonuses as well, which I've listed on this page. For a limited time, there is a heavy discount on this recipe book and the meal plan. So do grab your copy now before the price goes up. And I really hope that you love these recipes, and I'm sure you will. So go forth and enjoy a ketogenic Christmas and Thanksgiving and holidays. And just lastly, whether you plan on going or staying fully keto over the holidays or not, and maybe you're thinking, I'm not going to stay keto over this time. Maybe you are. Maybe that's been your dilemma. How do I stay keto over the holidays? This is your solution. But even if you're thinking, I'm going to come off keto for a little while, mitigate the damage by including some of these meals within whatever else you're going to be preparing, or whether you're going to a friend's for dinner. When you cook for yourself, when you're eating at home, have some of these things, because this is going to mitigate the damage. It's going to control your blood sugar. It's not going to give you these massive insulin spikes and inflammation and things that, regular foods with wheat and sugar and, lots of carbs produce in our bodies. So yeah, either way, whatever you're doing, then this is your solution for the holiday period, and I'm excited to bring this to you.